Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDT TRC20 wallet address on get.io. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your get.io application. Once you have logged into your get.io account, after that you just need to simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and from here you need to tap on this deposit button. Now click on the on-chain deposit from here. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT and click on Tether at the top. Once you land on page here, keep in mind that we are finding TRC20 address, so simply tap on the Tron network and always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your friend. Click on Tron and here you can see your USDT TRC20 wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address or you can share this QR code directly, and that's how you can find USDT TRC20 wallet address on get.io. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related